Slove hair has the best quality hair. Grade 12A, baby. No shedding, not processed. 100% virgin hair. And today we're gonna pop that cherry. Pop that cherry. Slove hair has the best 12A grade hair, and I'm gonna show you why. Diva Tribe. Oh my goodness, you're in for a treat today. A Diva is putting you up on game on the best curly lace wig. I repeat, the best curly lace wig. Tangle free, voluminous, and sleek. That doesn't even sound like they go together, right? I know. How many of you love curly lace wigs, but you buy them only to find out that they mat, they get tangled, and they're just not what you thought that they would be? Well, you are in for a treat. This beautiful curly lace wig from Slove Hair is grade 12A, which is the best top shelf quality Diva standard hair. So stay tuned, find out how you can get wholesale pricing on this wig and save you money. I have a coupon code for you, so make sure you watch this video. I bought a really cool headband and you're gonna see how I rock this wig and it does not fall off. This non-slip wig grip works and I put it to the test. Okay, Diva Tribe, as you can see, I put that wig cap to the test. I was shaking and rolling and shaking and rolling and dancing. You know, it's my birthday. Having a little fun. But that was my wig cap test. It definitely withstood the test. It didn't go anywhere. And, you know, the lace is still on and everything. So now it's time to cut this lace and customize it. But look, let's get into the pre-plucked. You guys know how my blue ombre wig was not to my liking, but this is plucked enough for me. I'm not gonna pluck it anymore, maybe later as I wear it, but I just wanna see if it really doesn't shed and so forth. I'll do an update with you guys and then, okay, so that was a hair. I'll do an update with you guys and let you know, but okay, so I put that wig on the canvas to get it started, and now I'm just cutting the lace. And this is HD lace, so it melts to your skin to perfection, okay? It melts to perfection. This is the type of lace that you want. It's not that itchy lace that just makes you just want to throw your wig off, but it looks good on the skin. It's HD, meaning that it's so crisp, so clear. And now I'm just putting on my foaming lotion and I'm cutting my baby hairs now that I've cut off the lace, but the cuticles are aligned. This hair does not tangle and it does not shed. Now I'm doing this on my birthday, cutting my baby hair. And then I realized after I cut the first baby hair area that I want to do it afterwards, after I put the wig on my head so it could conform. And now I'm using my tanning spray. I'll leave the link in the description on where to buy. And I'm just blending it in with my makeup brush and of course setting it with the hairspray. This is very, very beginner friendly. If you want to just throw on a wig and go, this wig can do so. So now I got this girl on. I got this bad baby on. She's beautiful. I cut some of the baby hair, partially cut. As you can see, some of the hairspray went through and I'm just wiping it. But it looks good. You see the color of the lace matches. It's HD. And now I'm just going to attempt to cut the rest of the baby hair. For me, baby hair is everything, especially with a curly hair unit. I naturally have baby hair, so it's a must that I have baby hair cut on my units. Now, with that being said, this is virgin hair, but you can pop that cherry. Don't be afraid. It's virgin hair, but you can color it. You can curl it. You can do whatever you want. And it's tangle free. It's really good quality hair. And normally when you pay for good quality hair, ladies, you have to spend a huge amount. You got to invest. It's an investment. So because this hair lasts up to 2 years, seriously, if you take care of this unit, this unit will last you up to 2 years. Normally you're paying $500-$600, but guess what? You're going to pay half that price with my coupon code below and the company Slove Hair. I mean, they really brought it when they did this HD lace wig. If you love curly units, you can see that this is a 13 by 4, but there's plenty parting space. I repeat, plenty parting space. The curls are beautiful. They just look so natural when you melt the lace. And because it's my birthday, I did not melt the lace. This is a glueless unit. You can wear this glueless or you can melt the lace. Today, it's like 2 in the morning while I'm doing this, so I did not melt the lace, but I loved how the lace still matched my skin tone. So if you sew a strap on the back, you really can get away without melting the lace. So don't be afraid to wear it without gluing it, but the curls are voluminous, they're beautiful, they're sleek. You can pull it back in a bun, in a ponytail. There's lace in the back that needs to be cut, but it's a beautiful, beautiful unit. I wouldn't waste any time before they run out. I love this unit. The curls were everything. I pulled on them, I stretched them, I combed them out, and I had hardly any cuticles come out. Hardly any shedding. And that's, you know, if you know curly hair, you know there's always shedding, but for it to have so much minimal shedding, I was so happy. But you can see the parting space. It's very good for 13x4. You can do a lot of versatile styles. You will not be sorry, ladies. Go get this unit, divas. Diva Tribe, thanks so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed this hair review from Slove Hair. I recommend you to order if you want top quality, top shelf 12A grade hair. All right, guys, that's all for today. If you want to see the final look, tomorrow is not tomorrow, today. It's like 2-3 in the morning and I have a photo shoot in a few hours, so I'm gonna get some beauty rest and then get all dolled up and then glue my wig down. But it makes no sense to glue it down now, but I just wanted to cut some baby hair and show you how the lace can melt. You can do this totally glueless, or you can melt the lace. And if you want to see it melted, check out, at the end of this video, I'll leave a little clip of the finished look. I'll probably wear this in a bun or a braid slick back. I just want a really sleek look and just surface tomorrow. So thanks again for watching. I have a coupon code for you. Check the link, check the description below, and it'll save you some money and get you some hair, girl. And make sure you tag me and leave me a comment when you do. All right, Diva Tribe, thanks so much for tuning in. If you want to see my other wig review for the blue hair, check up here. And if you want to see some hot fashion, make sure you click up here as well for my fashion reviews. I'm Dangerous Diva. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, when you have love, you have everything. Don't forget that. I'll see you in the next video.